Welcome to Sir Boats Yacht, your go-to channel for all things boating and yachting. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the Riversong Boat, a stunning vessel that's turning heads on the waterways. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dreaming of your next adventure on the water, this video is for you. So, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's explore what makes the Riversong a standout choice in the world of river cruising. Let's start with the key features that set the Riversong apart. This boat is a multi-deck river cruise vessel designed for comfort and versatility, making it perfect for family outings, social gatherings, or even a relaxing solo escape. One of the first things you'll notice is its spacious upper and lower decks, both offering ample room for passengers to move around and enjoy the scenery. The boat is equipped with modern navigation systems to ensure smooth sailing, even for those new to boating. Safety features like sturdy railings and life jackets for all on board add peace of mind, while the inclusion of a shaded canopy on both decks protects you from the sun during those long summer cruises. Powered by a reliable engine, the Riversong is built to handle gentle river currents with ease, and its fuel-efficient design means you can spend more time on the water without worrying about constant refueling. For tech enthusiasts, the boat also offers optional upgrades like GPS tracking and a sound system, turning it into a floating party hub or a peaceful retreat, depending on your mood. Moving on to the design, the Riversong is a visual treat that blends functionality with elegance. The boat's exterior boasts a sleek blue and white color scheme that catches the eye, complemented by clean lines and a modern silhouette. The Zambian flag flying at the top adds a touch of cultural flair, hinting at its origins or the spirit of adventure it embodies. The double-deck structure is cleverly designed to maximize space without compromising stability, thanks to a wide hull that provides a solid base on the water. The open layout of the decks allows for unobstructed views of the river, while the enclosed sections offer protection from the elements. The name, Riversong, is proudly displayed on the side in bold lettering, giving it a personalized touch that makes it feel like your own floating home. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, the attention to detail in the railings and deck flooring, crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials, shows a commitment to quality that stands up to the test of time and tide. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior features of the Riversong. The lower deck is where you'll find a cozy dining area, perfect for enjoying a meal with friends or family as the boat glides along. The tables are sturdy yet stylish, with enough space to accommodate a group, and the seating is cushioned for comfort during those longer trips. Upstairs, the upper deck transforms into a social space with lounge-style seating, ideal for lounging with a drink in hand or chatting with fellow passengers. The enclosed sections house a small galley kitchen, equipped with a stove, sink, and storage for supplies, making it easy to whip up a snack or a full meal on the go. Lighting is a highlight here, with soft LED lights that create a warm ambience at night, while large windows let in plenty of natural light during the day. For overnight stays, there's a compact cabin area with bunks that can sleep a few passengers, complete with basic amenities like a compact bathroom. The use of light-colored wood and fabrics gives the interior a bright, airy feel, making it welcoming for everyone on board. When it comes to performance aspects, the Riversong doesn't disappoint. This boat is powered by a mid-range diesel engine that delivers a steady cruising speed of around 10 to 12 knots, which is ideal for leisurely river travel. The engine is designed for efficiency, sipping fuel at a rate that keeps operating costs manageable, a big plus for frequent users. Maneuverability is another strong point, thanks to a responsive steering system that allows for easy navigation around bends and docks, even in tighter river sections. The hull design reduces drag, ensuring a smooth ride even when the water gets a bit choppy, and the boat's weight distribution keeps it stable under varying loads. For those interested in the technical side, the propulsion system includes a propeller setup optimized for river conditions, and the boat can handle light currents without straining the motor. Performance-wise, it's not built for high-speed thrills but excels in providing a reliable, comfortable experience for extended cruises, making it a practical choice for day trips or weekend getaways. Finally, let's talk about the unique selling points that make the Riversong a must-consider option. One of the standout features is its versatility. Whether you want to host a party, enjoy a quiet fishing trip, or simply soak in the river views, this boat adapts to your needs. The double-deck design offers two distinct experiences. The upper deck for socializing and the lower deck for dining or relaxing, giving you flexibility in how you use the space. The cultural nod with the Zambian flag adds a storytelling element, sparking conversations and making it a conversation piece among boating enthusiasts. Another big draw is its affordability combined with quality construction, offering premium features without the hefty price tag of luxury yachts. The boat's eco-friendly approach, with its fuel-efficient engine and durable materials that reduce waste, appeals to environmentally conscious boaters. Additionally, the option to customize with add-ons like entertainment systems or extra seating allows owners to tailor it to their preferences, ensuring it feels uniquely theirs. For anyone looking to enter the world of river cruising without breaking the bank, the Riversong delivers a compelling package that balances cost, comfort, and character. That wraps up our deep dive into the Riversong boat here on Sir Boats Yacht. From its impressive key features and stunning design to its inviting interior, solid performance, and unique selling points, this vessel has a lot to offer for river enthusiasts of all levels. If you're thinking about getting out on the water or just love learning about boats, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next review. Drop a comment below. Have you seen the Riversong in action, or is there another boat you'd love us to cover? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.